Okay, you want to take this lid off right here. Peel that back. It's gonna give you room to that. Show that wire connector. You want to press that tab in right there. That's gonna help you release it.
I see your little hand.
Switch it to the left, twist to the right. Put our lid back on. Yeah. Yeah. So that's how you replace the headlight bulb on a 2018 Jeep Renegade. Okay. That's your low beam?
Yeah.
Yeah, they working, yeah.